Hello everyone, a very blessed Guru Purnima to all you beautiful people out there. Now this is a special card which I got as a gift for Guru Purnima, so I thought I will pick one card to you people because without students there is no Pinky Punjabi, and moreover without you beautiful followers of mine who are more like family to me, then there is nothing. So today I will not be thanking you all because somewhere the universe has made me your guru. For some I am the guru, for some I am an elder sister, for some I am their mentor. But overall, I will only bless you all today. That God bless you all with all the happiness in this world. May all your wishes come true, and may Baba, may the divine, may the angels, may the God, may the Almighty, may the divine bless you all, and all your wishes come true. Always keep smiling, always have the best of health, always have all the happiness in this world. This is all I can tell you all as gratitude, a blessing to you all, because as I said on Guru Purnima, I don't want to thank you all. I want to bless you all wholeheartedly. So now I have taken the Ascended Masters because it's Guru Purnima, and I'm going to do one or two special cards I'm going to pull from the deck which I was gifted. One card I'll take out from Ascended Masters and from my Dragon cards, because you all know I love Merlin, and for me today's day is something where I always till today miss my guru because she's not there, though I know she's looking up there and blessing me and she's happy for whatever I have achieved today. But yes, I do miss her. So at the same time, I always say Merlin, without Merlin, my journey would have been incomplete. Without my Shirdi Sai, the journey would have been incomplete. So today I will also pick the cards of Dragon cards, the Ascended Masters, and the cards which I got as a gift. So let's start with the Ascended Masters. Let's see what this Guru Purnima the masters are waiting to tell you. That's a beautiful card. Can you see? Listen. Manjushri. This card usually comes when she's the deity of wisdom, and if you see, she holds a sword, right? Now this sword is basically to cut the feelings, the negative thoughts, to cut the cords, and also to cut the false beliefs and the illusions that I have or that we have, and to bring in clarity and understanding. So today she says, I will help you in getting the divine intelligence and wisdom. What more or what other better day it is than today that the divine is going to bless you with wisdom and bless you with knowledge and bless you with happiness. So here she says, the angels are talking to you today. She says she is going to guide you, she's going to give you her messages. Just be receptive to take the messages and keep your eyes and your ears open to know what message the divine is sending you. So now that's a beautiful card. So overall today is a day of blessings from the angels. Let's see what the Dragon card says. Same thing, opens you to higher learning and wisdom. So somewhere today, open your crown chakra. So it is not only me who is blessing you, it is even the gurus, your ancestors, your elders, and everyone are going to bless you today with lots and lots of happiness and blessed health. Now today, because it says yellow dragon, let's use the color yellow. Now before I forget, I am having a open meditation today at night 9 p.m. so I shall be sharing the link in my WhatsApp groups. So if you're still not a part of WhatsApp groups, you can get in touch with the team numbers and you can be added to receive the link when I come for the meditation today at night 9 p.m. So wear the color yellow. Now why I said about meditation is because usually in meditation most of you all wear white and come. So it's okay, wear the yellow today. And today, if possible, because it's a Guru Purnima, and if your guru is there in your city, surprise her, get her something nice, spend time with her, and just take her blessings and come, her or his blessings and come. If your guru is not nearby, it is okay, just a call or just a message wishing them and making them happy that you remember them on that day. So I hope you all do that, because I think nothing bigger than the blessing of the guru. Now let's see the cards which my students have gifted me, what is coming. The 10 of Potions. Can you see this card? The 10 of Potions. A lot of things. It's as if everything is coming from the divine. When I see this card, I feel as if you are being supported today, you will be appreciated today, you will be blessed today. Everything that you want will happen, and everything you desire. Today is a day of happiness, bliss, manifestation, good health, and blessings from the divine and from your elders. So have a blessed Guru Purnima. God bless you all.